Hello, boss. I'm Davis. Long time no see. Look, this is the new design. This is our latest 5-axis water jet and our hydrofinish, which is a sandblasting structure, a latest model of machine. What are its functions? The first is the water jet. Water jet, everyone knows that there's traditional cutting at 45, and irregular cutting can be done. In addition, the biggest highlight of this machine is that is in the brushed surface. You can see the effect of kind of sandblasting effect. So later on, we will go into details to go to the site and process the equipment. Okay, let's go. Okay, just now we have made this flocking. We have made this effect. Let's take a look at the actual effect. You can see that the depth of these embossing molds, the depth can be adjusted, and the speed is also fast. It can be pulled in a few minutes. How about it? Do you like it? Friends who are interested, welcome to private message me. I'm Davis. I'm waiting for you. See you at the factory.